Hey guys, what's going on? I guess you could call this part 2 of my Aztec and Copper round unboxing. Now this I actually got from Hero Bullion. Some of the Aztec rounds I got from the Golden State Mint because the prices were a bit cheaper. These were a bit cheaper, or they were either in stock and not on stock on the other site. And probably should have a box cutter, guys. But bear with me here, guys. Bear with me. Almost got it. There we go. We are going to see what we got from Hero Bullion here, guys. Check it out. Got a couple new pairs of gloves. That's always a good thing. I needed some new gloves. I got my, whoa, check it out, guys. They actually sent me a tube. This was kind of unexpected, but okay. This is how they want to send it to me. I basically got a tube of copper rounds. I thought they were pretty interesting. Might as well just open them as long as I got this opened here. Not like I'm cracking the CO2 ASC roll here. It's just a generic holder, which I'm happy to have. And man, this is check it out, guys. We got a nice Lincoln penny. I started laughing when I saw this on the Crazy Aztecs channel. I just had to have some, guys. So I basically just bought 20 of them, and I guess they filled a roll of them. I bought from the Golden State Mint. They also had the 1909 SVDB penny round. So I thought these were pretty cool, pretty comical. I'm probably going to be sending these to a few people out. And I guess they gave me a roll of 20 of them in here. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to put that aside for now. Let us get to the piece de resistance and open it up. Surprised they didn't include, oh, here we go, here's the invoice. Okay, let me just open this up off of camera so you guys don't see any personal information, guys. So we got the thank you card from Hero Bullion, which is pretty nice. Hero Bullion is pretty good. Their prices, not the best, but sometimes they have some hard to find stuff, so I like to use them. Alright, guys, so check it out. Without further ado, may I present to you the 2 troy ounces of silver, the beautiful Aztec round, guys. This is the same Aztec calendar found on the Mexican 20 pesos coin that I showed you guys, and it is a beautiful, beautiful, complicated, intricate design, guys. It is amazing. I just can't get over this. The Crazy Aztec told me about these. I knew they had the bars. I was actually thinking about getting the bars also. Unfortunately, they were out of them. So I got the next best thing, guys, and I'm actually liking these a little bit better than the bars. So beautiful design, guys. So I got the 2 ouncer. So I got one more, guys. I got the final round here, and I'm just looking at it, guys, and it is amazing. Check it out, guys. I got the 5 troy ounces of silver, and here we go in beautiful 5-ounce detail. Look at that. Look at the detail on that, guys. You can see that. That is just amazing. Beautiful. I love it. I'm so glad the Crazy Aztec told me about this, guys, because I just love this design. This was actually Aztec / Mayan calendar, and believe it or not, guys, this calendar is even more accurate than the calendar that we use today. So go figure. Now, I don't know what people believe or don't believe. I've seen the History Channel where they talk about possible ETs giving advanced knowledge to the Aztecs. That is something that I have seen on TV. They had a really advanced knowledge of the sky and mathematics. So I don't know, guys. I'm open to anything. I think this is just a amazing design, guys, and it almost does look something otherworldly to me. Tell me what you think about this design, guys. Like, subscribe, and as always, stack that gold.